Today we're diving into a topic that many of you have asked about, the potential benefits of green bean coffee extract for Pcos, or polycystic ovary syndrome. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all things health and wellness. Now, let's get started. First things first, what is Pcos? Well, Pcos is a common hormonal disorder affecting people with ovaries, and it can lead to various symptoms like irregular periods, acne, and difficulty in conceiving. Now, where does green coffee extract come into play? Green coffee extract is derived from unroasted coffee beans, and it's rich in chlorogenic acid, a powerful antioxidant. Some studies suggest that chlorogenic acid may have positive effects on metabolism and blood sugar levels. Now, you might be wondering, how can green coffee extract potentially help those with Pcos? Well, let's break it down. 1. Metabolic boost. Some studies indicate that chlorogenic acid in green coffee extract may help boost metabolism, potentially aiding in weight management, a crucial factor for many dealing with Pcos. 2. Insulin sensitivity. Pcos is often associated with insulin resistance. Some research suggests that green coffee extract might help improve insulin sensitivity, which could be beneficial for those with Pcos who may struggle with insulin-related issues. 3. Antioxidant power. As a potent antioxidant, green coffee extract may help combat oxidative stress, which is often elevated in individuals with Pcos. But, as always, it's essential to approach these findings with caution. While there's some promising research, more studies are needed to fully understand the long-term effects and the right dosage for individuals with Pcos. Before considering any supplements, it's crucial to consult with your healthcare professional. They can provide personalized advice based on your specific health needs. If you found this information helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share it with anyone who might benefit. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for joining us today on channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.